Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. I've come live after a long time, busy with other things. Tomorrow, I have a webinar on a Ninja Trader ecosystem at 3:30 p.m. Central, which is 4:30 p.m. Eastern. So I thought I join this session and let my viewers know about this upcoming webinar. So just look up Ninja Trader ecosystem and sign up for the event tomorrow. The name of the event is The Mind of the Savvy Trader, and I'm going to paste the link in a short while in the chat box. But until then, you can search for Ninja Trader ecosystem and sign up for the webinar called "The Mind of the Savvy Trader and the DNA of the Market." So once again, welcome everyone. Let me get started. I'm still setting up my screen. It's been a while since I um, did this live session, so my setup is a bit messed up, but I'm going to get it ready in no time. Um, and The promos that you are seeing in the bottom are a bit off. There are different discounts available now. For example, Bullnox has 89% off going on. Some other offers would have different percentage of discounts going on. So from that point of view, the ads are a bit off, but the QR code and the promo codes are still valid. So if you need additional funded accounts or you don't have any funded accounts, want a new funded account, feel free to use these codes and sign up for the funded accounts. So let me fire up the software Sliver Bullet Pro, which runs on Ninja Trader, and start trading. So, oops, this is something I have to fix soon. I'll use a mix of automated and manual trading strategies. Market has moved up quite a bit, so I had to wait for a good pullback before I take any trade. Um, all right, this is maybe I will trade NQ today because the volatility is down. I think I can trade NQ and we'll see how it goes. Um, Nowadays, I kind of started to like trend trades a bit, especially when uh, there is an uptrend. Even in downtrend, it works very well. Um, but I downside is I have to wait. I have to wait for a good pullback. So a good pullback just happened here, and that time I was, I think, still starting. So I'll wait. Oh, what happened? Oh, I do. Sorry. Okay. Since I changed the instrument, I had to restart it. I'll wait for the nice pullback and um, then start trading. Oh, I just missed something. It looks like I missed this pullback here. I don't know how. Did I miss it? I was looking at my other screen. So anyway, uh, I'll wait for another pullback. So this is Orenco chart with super trend on. Um, so this gives me a good idea when there is a pullback. I consider it a pullback when market comes below this super trend line. Um, one of the, like, when I want to take long, I wait for the market to come below, if possible, well below this green super trend line, and then I take a long trade. So I look for a decent amount of pullback, like around 40-50% uh, of the current swing, which means if from here to here, if that's a swing, I would want market to come down somewhere here before I turn on my long trade. So hopefully I'll be able to show you something shortly. So I need to share my, let's see. Um, I just pasted the link for tomorrow's webinar, The Mind of the Savvy Trader and the DNA of the Market. So there is a link, and I will post the Facebook promo as well. Um, Copy link. Here is the Facebook link. So either of these should work, and hope to see some of you tomorrow at the webinar. And there will be, yes, in the those who attend the webinar, there will be a good promo. I'm not going to announce the promo now, but it will be the best promo in a while, um, in more than a year, I guess. Um, so for our program, Sliver Bullet Trading System program. So please join to avail um, the the promo. Market is kind of stalling here. I want it to pull down somewhere in this region before I take any trades. So since I'm trading NASDAQ NQ, I want to be um, mindful of the pullbacks. In fact, if the market jumps up, I might take a short trade, a quick short trade um, in a contrarian style. Right, some more. Yes, it's pulling up nicely. So um, I'm interested in taking a short trade here. With a reduced quantity, of course, only one contract I'm going to trade. Mm. So here, interesting market. The ATR is down. ATR is on 2 minute chart 19, so that's really low. It's usually in 1 minute chart, it's 19. So okay, so I'm expecting a pullback here. Let's see if it comes down here. I will take a short trade. Oh, sorry, long trade. Okay, I want market to come below this green super trend line um, and grab some liquidity in this area. No, it's so much bullishness, bullishness in the market. I can take trades, long trades here, but many times we have seen that in a uptrending market like this, market will suddenly punch down, come down so fast just to try grab liquidity from this area and then move back up. And in doing so, if I'm in a long trade, um, I might get my account might get blown up. So I don't want to blow my accounts in by any means. And sometimes the drops are very big. It comes all the way down to this VWAP line, and then um, it will go back up. So here I will try to take one short trade if I get one.
Order submit. Order filled.
All right. Oh, this is set at hmm, okay. Let me change my ATM here. Okay, it was set for micros actually. Okay, I will. For minis, I trade for only 5
Target
cents at a
filled.
time, so $105. First trade, 105, it shows here. And here we off with our first profitable trade. First trade, in fact, which was profitable. So again, I explained in my DNA of the market course how to take trades and what trades to take in what market condition. Let me see if I can pull that chart here and give you guys a peek as to how I decide what trade to take based on the market condition. Um, Here I think I should have one here. You download. ng current. Maybe let's next one. This one I will share. Current page done. Okay. So here is the diagram. So this is the trading strategy map, and superimposed on the market DNA. How I like to look at the market based on that. I have mapped the trading strategy to be taken using Sliver Bullet Pro software, and this cheat sheet gives us an idea as to what trade to take at a particular market condition. So um, yeah. Mhm. Okay. So I explained this in detail in my training course, and the market is pulling back now. And if it comes down in this area, I will try to take a trade, long trade. All right. Some more pulled back, and then um, depending on the size of pullback, I will decide whether to take trade with one contract or two contracts.
Order filled.
Oh shoot, I was in wrong strategy. I didn't want to take contrarian trade. I was planning to take trend trade, and see, this is exactly what. So to salvage the situation, I will keep my scaling on, and try to add another contract.
Order submitted.
Hopefully I'll get some more pullback, but looks like the market wants to go back up.
Order filled.
Okay, one more contract got added. And now I would like to focus on my trade. No distractions.
Target filled.
Okay, one contract closed. I will move the target a little higher. All right. All right. Let me move the stop higher. Sorry, target higher and stop higher as well. If the market clears this area, I will move the stop to this level. Or should I already move it here? I'll move it here. Okay. Come on. Just clear. Go up, go up. I like what you're doing. Market, go up. Hmm, good. Doesn't want to go anymore. Now, question is, shall I move my stop and this 10-point stop I'm at, that's like $200 and don't want to lose it. So if it goes up, I'm good. Okay, it kind of almost cleared. So maybe I will move my stop here so that I don't lose if market comes down, or I will, if it goes up, I will continue to ride. So here I'm sitting on $500 profit, $275 already made. If it pushes through, then it will be nice. Else, I'll get stopped at a profit of $395. So this is the reason I've been waiting for a pullback. I did not take any trades for like 20-25 minutes um, after I started to go show this live. And after 20-25 minute wait, or maybe almost 30 minutes I waited before taking any trades. Let me see when I did my first trade. I did my first trade here. Yeah, easily after 25 minutes, 22 minutes, I took my first trade. And then this is the second trade, or second trade involved one add-on as well. So total three trades, I would say. This is the third trade that's open. Two have been closed, two for $275 in total. And this one is the third trade. I've logged in $395 of profit, and uh, actually the target is $650, I believe. So after this, if I want to trade more, I have to restart this trader. But most likely I will close, end the session, after this trade with about $750 of profit. Uh, so I'll be ending with at least $750 of profit if market comes down and hits this stop. 275 here and 395 here. But let's see. I feel market will go up now. Here I got one more pivot, so I can move my target stop little higher here and place it. So with the $455 of profit logged in. And you see the promos on screen with the different percentage of discounts available for funded accounts. These are not accurate percentages. For example, Bullnox is offering 89% discount um, at this moment. Funded Futures Network is offering 40% discount and a BOGO free activation. Trade Day, perhaps 30% discount with free activation. And I have more funded accounts now. You can check slivertrades.com. Sliver, SLIVERTRADEZ.com for the other uh, uh, promos that we have. So maybe I will walk you through my website. Shoot, my website is down. Oh no, it should not have happened. Okay, that's working. All right. So here Below here, we have top one Bullnox, trade day, funded futures, and we have added Podia, Capital, and Blue Sky as well. So please click on any of these and get the discount uh, that you need. And if you it asks for a code, use the code Sliver. Should work most of the time. So some um, market continues to go up. I have logged in $455 of profit here, and let's see if I can get some more. So market consolidated a bit here and now trying to go up. So hopefully I'll get some more. Market is just pushing through. What happened to oil crisis? Let's see where oil stands today. All right, oil is at around 92, 93. Um, so hopefully oil will come down, settle at around 80, 85. I feel that's my gut feel. So, but yeah, it was, I feel the world wanted the oil price to, go up. World means the big money. Um, Oil market has been kind of stable for quite some time. Um, and it wanted new ways to push up the oil prices. Um, After COVID, um, the minimum wage went up. Because of that, all the prices went up. But oil kind of came back to its pre-COVID levels, more or less. And now the oil industry wanted to make money, and they'll make more money if the oil prices go up worldwide. And that's how things fall in place. And um, one way of increasing the oil price is to choke supply. And supply got choked. There's a volatility, and we'll have a new um, level for oil market, which kind of remains stable for more than a year, around 60, I would say. So from 25% spike is what will make the oil cartel happy. So, or at least 20%, 20 to 25%. So this after this spike, I'm thinking market will settle down somewhere here in this region and then start climbing. Not really climbing. Then we have to watch for geopolitical situation and see what's going on. So that's just my take. We don't know what's going to happen, but going by the pattern that always takes place, that always forms. The DNA is the same. DNA of the market. You have to do one or the other, choke the supply, increase the demand for the cartel to make money, the big industrial complex to make money. So, uh, so it's coming down now big time. So I'll perhaps get stopped out. Yeah, but if it goes back up,
Stop filled.
okay. So it says total profit reached, and with that, I have $840 profit here. Hope you all can see 840. Let me write it down, and all the trades will be saved as well. Um, 840, three trades, 840 in 40 minutes. Yeah, about 40, no, 50 minutes, sorry. 50 minutes. So with that, I would like to sign off. This is Rao here. Thanks for joining. And please don't forget to join the uh, webinar on Ninja Trader ecosystem. The name of the webinar is The Mind of the Savvy Trader and the DNA of the Market. So hope to see you all again in another live session. Until then.